am studying 10th standard. Today I am going to teach 10th standard chapter 8 probability example 8.90. Given 2 dice rolled and find is the probability of sum of outcomes is equal to 4. Solution. What does mean by 2 dice rolled? Means sample space S is equal to first event. First event 1 dice rolls is 1 and second dice rolls is 1. And the second event, first dice rolls is 1 and second dice rolls is 2. Up to last event 6, 6. First dice rolls is 6 and second dice rolls is 6. N of S, the total number of element. N of S, the total number of element. N of S is equal to 36. Let A be the event of getting the sum of outcome is equal to 4. A is equal to first element. First dice rolls is 1 and second dice rolls is 3. The sum of outcome is equal to 4 is 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Second event, first dice rolls is 2 and second dice rolls is 2. The sum of outcome is 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Third event is first dice rolls is 3 and second dice rolls is 1. The sum of outcome is equal to 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. N of A is equal to 3. The probability of getting sum of outcomes is equal to 4 is by using the formula method. P of A is equal to N of A divided by N of S. N of A is equal to 3 and N of S equal to 36. So 3 by 36. These numbers are divisible by 3 table. So 3 is 1 times and 36 is 12 times is equal to 1 by 12. P of A is equal to 1 by 12. The probability of getting the sum of outcomes is equal to 4 is 1 by 12.